if you open your project files and you see pink, don't panic. It's just that we just need to convert our materials to a more modern shader. So from materials, you can see this particular one has a universal render pipeline, which is the modern shader. And this object here is pink and it uses the standard shader. So if we select all the pink materials, go up to Edit, Rendering, Materials, convert selected built-in materials to universal render pipeline, and just proceed, and suddenly you'll notice that they have all converted in Unity.